final, and this one again, it's a very common thing that people bring up on that side of the discussion, and that is this final heading is Microsoft 365 backup products have key gaps that limit the security and productivity of your organization. So the point being made here is because Microsoft doesn't provide Druva and other companies like Druva APIs to get all of the data, therefore our backups are invalid. And I just want to again throw my hands in the air. We acknowledge that, and we plead with Microsoft to stop offering new services without without
Yeah.
backup APIs. Um, but because we can't protect something like Yammer, for example, doesn't mean we can't protect Exchange
The rest of the
Online,
stuff. Yeah.
right? And they also list Teams, and we do a pretty good job with Teams. I know at Druva, we do some things that a lot of other companies don't, and but we are limited by the
Yeah.
APIs
And what functionality it
that
allows you to do.
yeah, right. And they list some stuff like sensitivity labels, AIP or MIP functionality, um, and to ask about how they back up and restore that data. And I don't disagree with any of that, but I don't understand how because we can't get everything, we shouldn't get what we can.
Yeah.
Um, and I, as a
And
customer of Microsoft, would say to them, "Hey, why don't you
go
make some
talk to,
APIs?"
yeah. Well, and I think the other thing is as a backup vendor, you need to be open about, hey, here are all the things we can't do, right? Rather than just saying, yeah, we back up everything. It's good to go, right? And
Yeah, good. Yeah, good point. Yeah,
right. And I don't think Druva, right? I think Druva, at least last I looked, right, was very upfront about here are the Microsoft 365 services we can back up. Here are the things that we can't support. Right. And like you
right.
mentioned, it's typically because APIs don't exist.
Right. The irony of this particular issue is they're saying that, well, the reason why our backups aren't valid is because we can't get everything. Well, guess what? Their backups don't get everything.
Yeah.
And again, I just called what they do backups. What they do aren't backups, but
Yeah.
their protection mechanisms don't get everything. There are a handful of things, just like there are a handful of things that we can't get. There are a handful of things that a person who only has 365 tools cannot recover. Off the top of my head, I don't have them. Vanessa at Druva, I know is a 365 expert. I'm not one, and we have talked about some things that again they're they're not as common as some of the other things. Just like Yammer is not that common among the and if you're listening to this and use Yammer, I'm not not saying nobody's using Yammer. I'm just saying it's certainly not as common as say Exchange Online, right? And Teams is has become a lot common. Teams has become a lot more common in the last couple of years due to COVID, right?
Yeah.
And due to them adding some functionality to answer Slack,
Yeah.
right?
And
Although I've used Teams and I've used Slack, and I'll take Slack any day. But
and I was just going to also mention that you brought up Vanessa. So we did actually record a couple episodes with her,
we did.
episodes 85 and 86, where she did talk about the architecture of Microsoft 365, right? That needs to be backed up and why you need to back up Microsoft
Yep,
365. So
that's
maybe
exactly what we should.
Could restore it all.
we should point people to those episodes because I'm pretty sure she went into some of those things.
I learned a lot from
Um,
that discussion as well about
yeah,
Microsoft
yeah,
365. So
exactly.